Preparing the flattened states of sheet metals is highly time-consuming process. If you are working with assemblies included many sheet metal designs, you will surely get tired creating the flat patterns manually. That's exactly what SOLIDGUN provides, a good solution about calculating and reporting all sheet metals. SOLIDGUN automatically detects all sheet metals in your designs and exports to flattened state as DXF DWG PDF formats rapidly. Thus, it accelerates your working process from design to manufacturing. It's time to speed up the process by 10 times. The SOLIDGUN is a user-friendly software that you can run in just 3 steps. Just select the design, select the configuration, and push the Start button. That's easy! SOLIDGUN provides convenient usage with the ability to add multiple files and select configurations. It has distinctive features such as automatic dimensioning option calculates the width and length and adds the dimensions into the flatten view. It reviews your designs entirely and serves you detailed options about the entities and features to export. So you can easily manage library features, band lines, band notes, and all related entities. If there are any designs or features which you don't want to export, just set once and forget. SOLIDGUN always remembers your choices. Sheet metal marking is a very convenient solution in industry, so why not to adjust automatically? The SOLIDGUN's full automatic annotating and marking capability allows you to adjust and locate the marking text on sheet metal face. All custom properties and cut list values could be marked with advanced font and color options. Also, material types and classifications can be transferred to the marking. All sheets exported successfully and ready for manufacturing, or not. The SOLIDGUN collects all DXF DWG files in one file so you can manage and track easily. With the SOLIDGUN specialized to merge DXF DWG, you can add much more information into the merged file, including the custom properties, cut list values, and also the BOM quantities. In a few minutes, the comprehensive results. In addition to the detailed outputs, you can obtain the BOM report included real previews and calculations. This report is fully customizable, so you can adapt to your company standards and integrate to your ERP/MRP systems via XML formats. Don't worry, trust the SOLIDGUN. SOLIDGUN hunts all sheet designs including multi-bodies. It doesn't allow the design errors and gives result by controlling to manufacturing compliance. This way, it gives the exact results you need and it decreases the supply chain cost and manufacturing time. Now, you can focus on design, the SOLIDGUN handles the rest. Download the trial and experience SOLIDGUN.